LegalZoom Digital Estate Planning App. The pros, the cons. The LegalZoom Digital Estate Planning App aims to make creating and managing your estate plan simple, but most people get this wrong by assuming it's only for creating a will. The surprising truth is that the app can guide you through creating trusts, powers of attorney, and healthcare directives all in one platform. One major pro is accessibility. Users can complete legal documents online with guidance at every step. For example, a couple can draft a revocable living trust, designate beneficiaries, and set up guardianship for their children without leaving home. Another advantage is affordability. Compared to traditional estate planning lawyers, the app offers a cost-effective way to create essential documents. It also allows for easy updates as circumstances change, ensuring your plan remains current and legally valid. However, there are cons. Complex estates with multiple properties, business interests, or out-of-state assets may require professional legal advice. Additionally, mistakes in input or overlooking certain clauses could reduce the effectiveness of the documents. Users must carefully review each section to ensure accuracy. In conclusion, the LegalZoom Digital Estate Planning App is a practical solution for individuals and families seeking a straightforward, cost-effective approach to estate planning. While not a replacement for specialized legal guidance in complex cases, it offers convenience, clarity, and control over your estate plan.